Ball. This way.
Come on. Jesus Christ, your car isn't that big.
Come on. Wait. Put your phone down. Running on some lights. Oh. Tourist. What the f*** are you doing? You're around. You're an idiot. You really can't reverse there. So f***ing dangerous. 3 bikers here, you know.